daily habits to improve your mood. Taking care of ourselves goes beyond just ensuring we look well and healthy from the outside. This may, unfortunately, be to the reason that we always simply judge ourselves by how we look outside. Many people are struggling with their emotions, hiding the truth about how they really feel, or simply don't know how to deal with life's ups and downs. The hardest things to deal with are those that people don't see, because these are the things that impact us the most. What most people don't realize is that sometimes all it takes is a few tweaks to their habits. The way many or even most people feel inside is just a direct reflection of their daily routine and things they're constantly exposing themselves to. If you know that changing some of your habits could dramatically impact the way you feel inside, you are on the right track to feeling much better. You have a great deal of influence on how you feel, whether you know it or not, based on what you're doing and consuming regularly. Making these habits a part of your life can really help boost your mood. Making an effort to get moving. It is a proven fact that physical activity not only helps keep our physical bodies fit, but also nourishes us mentally and emotionally. Though it can take some effort for physical activity to become part of people's routine, making an effort to do that will always benefit you physically, mentally, and emotionally. Getting enough sleep and rest. We all need to give our brains enough time to rest by getting adequate sleep each night, and, if necessary, to even supplement that with a quick 20 to 30-minute power nap during the day. Boy, I need to start doing that. If you are using your brain heavily at work, you'll benefit from squeezing a quick day nap into your daily routine, and I think it's okay. People are more alert and in a better mood with sufficient sleep and rest. Keeping a journal. Feeling good? Write out the reasons why you feel grateful for it. Keeping a daily gratitude journal has proven to be one of the most effective ways to stay happy and keep a positive disposition every day. Starting your day with a healthy breakfast. It's not only important to eat healthy, to stay physically, it's even more crucial because food nourishes you from head to toe. Yes, and including your brain. What we eat often has a direct impact on what we feel and how we function daily. Being more mindful of your daily consumption is not just for your fitness, but it can be key in managing your energy levels as well. More and more people limit their socialization to social media, and it's not the healthiest way to go about it. As myself, personally, I limit myself on social media up to 10-15 minutes. That's maximum per day. Being with nature is an immense luxury not everyone can get access to, especially people who live in big, crowded cities. But simply going outdoors and taking a refreshing walk could revitalize you mentally and boost your mood instantly. Walking is one of the best, effortless, and natural ways to stay physically active. Power walking is great. Managing your time well. It sounds very basic, but with a lot of distractions in front of us, more and more people are simply too busy with the wrong things. But we always have a direct influence on our lives and our time management based on the choices we make.